Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Today, we are talking about what's in my fridge. Is your fridge full of food or is it empty?
I am hungry today. Talking about food is great. But, Adam, I am nervous. Is your fridge clean?
Mostly? I think so. Let's open the door. 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Let's look at the top shelf. What do you have here?
This is the drink section.
I see some water. Is that a big jug?
Yes, I drink much water.
Water is an uncountable noun. You cannot count one water.
Correct. But I can count bottles. I have 3 bottles of juice.
Yes, bottles are countable. 1 bottle, 2 bottles. What juice is that?
It is orange juice. I love orange juice in the morning.
Me too. But wait, what is this carton?
Oh, that is milk. I have some milk for my coffee.
Adam, this milk smells funny.
Really? Let me smell. Yuck!
That milk is bad, Adam. Throw it away.
Oops, I forgot about it. Sorry.
So, milk is uncountable, but a carton is countable.
Yes, I have 1 bad carton of milk.
Let's move down. Look at the middle shelf.
This is where I keep real food. Look at these eggs.
Ah, eggs. Eggs are countable. How many eggs do you have?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3. I have 6 eggs.
Perfect. We use how many for countable things.
Exactly.
What is next to the eggs?
That is cheese. I have a big block of cheese.
Cheese is usually uncountable. You say, how much cheese? But you can count slices of cheese.
True. I also have some butter. Butter is uncountable too.
Correct. You cannot say 2 butters. You say some butter.
Or 2 sticks of butter. English is crazy, right?
It is a little crazy, but it makes sense.
Okay,
Adam, vegetables are important. What do you have?
I have some carrots.
Are they fresh?
Yes, they are orange and hard. Good carrots.
Good. What else? Do you have any lettuce?
I have some lettuce.
Lettuce is uncountable, but leaves are countable.
Yes, I have many sad brown leaves.
You need to go shopping, Adam. You need fresh food.
I know, I am a bad shopper.
Do you have any fruit?
Yes, look at the door. I have apples.
Apples are countable. How many apples?
I have 3 apples. They look delicious.
Finally, something healthy and fresh.
So, Sarah, let's review the grammar. It is important.
Yes, we talked about countable and uncountable nouns.
Countable nouns are things we can count. 1, 2, 3.
Like apples, eggs, carrots, and bottles.
We ask how many with these words.
How many apples do you have?
Correct. And uncountable nouns are singular. We cannot count them.
Like milk, water, rice, and cheese.
We ask how much with these words.
How much milk is there?
Exactly. And we use some for positives.
I have some rice.
And we use any for questions or negatives.
Do you have any bananas?
Or, I don't have any bananas.
Perfect. It's easy when you practice.
Yes, just look in your fridge. Practice counting.
Well, Adam, I am thirsty now.
Do you want a beverage? I have water.
Yes, please. A cold beverage sounds nice.
Wait, beverage. That's a fancy word.
Yes, we should explain it.
Beverage, spelled B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. This is a formal word for a drink. Water, juice, tea, coffee. They are all beverages. Example, please choose a hot or cold beverage.
You see this word on menus often.
Yes, it sounds very professional.
Well, thank you for the water.
You are welcome. It is fresh water, not expired.
That is good news.
thank you for visiting my kitchen. And thank you to our listeners. You are wonderful.
We hope you learned about grammar today.
Countable and uncountable nouns are everywhere.
Yes. Now, I have a question for you. What is in your fridge right now?
Tell us one countable thing and one uncountable thing.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Every episode is a small snack of English, easy to listen to, easy to remember, and delicious.
Delicious English. I love that.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.